Okay, my first find is a clipping hair tie. Alright, a lot of time. There you go, treasure trash. Plate off of something. Let's hunt. There you go, there's a mixed signal. We got iron and copper together. So that made a like a 34 and a 40. So confusing at best. Let's hunt. Treasure trash. Alright, more treasure trash. This was a 33-34. Looks like a piece of aluminum. Connector off of something. And it says, I think it says either Oha or Cha. Okay, treasure trash. Let's hunt. First zinkin of the day. Alright, gotta get them. Let's hunt. There you go, first nickel of the day. So, you bet, we're gonna hunt. Alrighty then, we got a circle thing. It's the ring, the seal ring of a small beverage bottle. So, it's not a ring, but then again, let's hunt. Oh, there you go, there you go. Another zinkin. Second zinkin of the day. Let's keep hunting. Check it out, everybody. Got another 1964 copper penny. This one's in really good shape, too. Let's hunt. Check out this piece of treasure trash. Big chunk of iron. That's at least a pound. We'll weigh it later. Let's hunt. There you go. Another piece of treasure trash. Ring up like a zinc penny, but it's not. Last one you go. Number 25. Zinc penny number 25 for today. Let's hunt. There you go. Another 1970. There's 70 or 78. I think it's a 1970 copper. So that's several for today. Let's hunt. Well, check this out. My first 2024 9. Huzzah! Let's hunt. This out. I got I think a collar. A buckle from a leather collar. If I dug deeper, I wonder if I would find a whole dog. That's all. Let's hunt. Looks like I've got the bottom of a light bulb here. Part of it. That's all. Treasure trash. Let's hunt. Check out what I got out of one hole. 2 batteries, an Allen wrench, a staple, a dime, and 4 zinkins. Let's hunt. There you go. Got a piece of a leash, or a keychain. Leash or a keychain, something like that. Let's hunt. There you go. Check it out. We got a restroom token. So now I can go rest. Let's hunt. Smaller than a dime. That's got another clothespin. Spring. Let's hunt.